Gesso is a kind of primer. It's used to seal the surfaces and also can be used to create texture. It comes in white, clear, and black. We will be using white. Texture is the surface quality of an artwork. Texture is the way that things look or feel. They can be described as rough, smooth, silky, shiny, fuzzy, and so on. We're going to be creating an abstract textured piece on illustration board using gesso. To begin, tape all 4 sides of your illustration board to give us a nice, clean, smooth border. I'm going to be using a popsicle stick to smear my gesso around so I don't have an overly smooth surface like I might if I used a paintbrush. After I smear the entire edge with a good thick coat of gesso, I'm going to start by using the edge of my popsicle stick to create little lines and ridges in my texture. Then I'm going to take a piece of string and pull that through to get another organic texture. Next, I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and cut little lines into the edge to give me an uneven surface to use to wipe across the surface of the gesso, giving me another rough texture that looks a little different than any of the other ones do. I can also use the cardboard on its side to stick to the gesso and have a pulled, wet looking surface. Here I'm taking a toothpick, and in some of my thinner sections I'm going to scribble on the gesso to give me a messy line pattern. I can also use it to pull the gesso in different directions where it's thicker and stretch out some of those spaces a little bit. And the last thing I'm going to use is saran wrap. I'm going to wad the plastic wrap up and stick it into the surface of the gesso so it gathers and pulls in different places, and then I will leave that plastic wrap there until it dries. Get creative with the items that you use. Find stuff around your house you might not would have thought of that could be used to create texture. Once you're finished, let it dry, and we'll come back and apply paint.